Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Give you guys a little sun, see that? Being sun-kissed. And as usual, it's today our regular tool time Thursdays. So every time, maybe a tool or maybe like a product that acts as a tool or assists with anything. I think a tool is whatever you make it, whatever helps you get whatever you need done. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. And comment, share, and give me a thumbs up. So let's get to today's Tool Time Thursday video. Okay guys, so today we're gonna go over battery maintainer, the snap-on. Part number is right here. As usual, I'll put the price of it in the description. So I have this right here, but I have it currently hooked up to my car. This is a second one that I have. So I have two just in case for my other car, but I hadn't really used it, so I have one new right here. It comes with the cord, as you can see around there. So I have mine plugged up. And of course you have the different, you have volts, 12, 6, the standard type of battery, the AGM battery, and then it's charged. And mine's charged because I've had it on there. For some strange reason, I'm not sure if it's because of the air suspension or what I got going on, but if I leave my car parked for like a month, which I usually don't drive it maybe once a month or so, twice a month if I have the time to do so, the battery will be super low. So I got this one. Of course, there's many other ones out there, but as usual, you guys know I'm a big snap-on fanboy. So I like what I like. So we'll put this one up here, move this over. So I have it hooked up like this. It has those right there, the little ears. It's fairly long. So I have it doubled over right there, and then I have it plugged up. I could put it in the trunk or outside of the trunk, but knowing my kids, they'll step on it. And if I have it like how I do it right here, I usually do it like this. So when I walk around the car, that way I'll remember I need to unplug it. And if anyone knows, when you have a Challenger, it's a push button to open the trunk. Right here, there's no key to open the trunk. So if the battery's dead and you're not gonna be able to get to the battery because the battery's in the back, and I definitely can't get to it because I got all my air suspension things right here. So I have the seat delete kit right there, so you wouldn't be able to get in it, plus my harness bar and my nitrous bottles and all that stuff, so I wouldn't be able to get to it if I needed to get to the battery. But they do have a jump-in post in the front, so I'll do that as well. So because I do have this and I have the jump-in post as well, I'm gonna show you the second tool that I use to take care of my battery. Tool that I have, where did I put it? Okay, I moved it over here. I have this noco. It's a miniature jump box. So I just plug it up right here. Just, let me see. Come on. All right. So it's on. It'll beep to tell you how full it is. It'll do a little bit of a trickle charge. Have some lights on it. I guess if you're using it at night, and also different dimmer light, flashing light for safety, then off. And it also have a USB, so like if I'm at the track sometime, depends what I'm doing, I could plug my phone into this to charge. So this is the noco Genius, and the model number is the GB40. They have a bigger one. I would recommend a bigger one because on this one, if the battery isn't fully charged, because of my car, it uses a larger size battery like that. if my car isn't fully charged, it will not start it. So I'd have to use my jumper cable or a bigger jump box. But just to get you in a pinch, if it's fully charged, it will jump the vehicle off. And I have a charging spot under the hood for that if the battery's dead and I can't get into the trunk. So yeah, I like it. As I said, there's different ones out there, but this is the one that I like. Keep all my stuff, you know, in the Snap-on family. I have 2 of them. So yeah, so quick down and dirty tool time Thursday. Today we went over Snap-on battery maintainer / battery charger and my little baby boost, noco boost. As I said, with this one, it has to be full GB40. It has to be full to jump this car, but maybe a car with a smaller battery, it will fit, jump it, no problem. So that's this week's edition of Tool Time Thursday. And I said, as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please smash that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. And also comment, share, and what else? Comment, share, and thumbs up. Thank you guys again for watching all the videos. Appreciate all the love and support. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women, boy.